Joe Beermaster, the Car Master. Today we have a 16 Kia Optima. We're working on it for collision repairs, but I'm going to show you how to change the cab. That's the interior cabin filter. So normally it's inside where the dash is, somewhere along the dash and the glove compartment. In this case, you have to open the hood, and if you look near the battery here, you can see this little box here. There's the battery. There's this box. Pull out to open air filter. See that? And it's in the engine compartment. You pull it out like that. And there is your filter here. I'm just going to move these over. That one's already moved over. Somebody must have been in there. And it says pull, P-U-L-L. Pull it out. And this one is very clean. It must have been just changed. You get the new one. Slide it in. You can buy these aftermarket, auto supply place, and it's probably about half the price. And you probably only need to do that every 50,000 miles if you want to. Close it back down, make sure it clicks in tight, and then you'll have a new cabin air filter. You get fresh, cleaner air on the inside of the car. The Kia Optima. Joe Beermaster, thanks for watching. I hope this helped, and please subscribe.